Okay, so welcome to this course where I'm going to show you how to do some amazing graphs. So first of all, let's start by putting some data together. Supposing we have a date range here, so let's start with January, and then we can just drag that over. So we have 12 months. Oh, went overshot. Okay, and then we have total at the end. Supposing we have three different offices. We have London, New York, and Los Angeles. So let's just fill this with random numbers. So the formula for a random number is equals rand, open close bracket, and then multiply that by 1,000. Okay, and then just show it to take out the decimal place, or not show the decimal places, and then I can just copy this to the other months. What I'll do, I will save as values, so copy, paste, values, enter. So these are now all fixed numbers. Now we can have totals, to sum, enter, copy that across, paste, and auto sum here, and copy that down. When you're doing a graph, the best way of doing it is to first of all format your data table properly and completely. So I'm writing something here against, these are all data series. So this is the London data series. Second row is the New York data series. So if we title these, it just makes it a lot easier than trying to add them to the graph later. So now all we have to do is click on Insert. And here we have this whole section to do with charts. So you can just expand it out, which gives you a whole load. So this really is brilliant. It gives you lots of charts you can choose from. So now the problem is, of course, because we have this total, we don't really want that included in the chart because it really skews everything. If you look at these charts, because it's a massive number at the end, which means that all these individual months are tiny and you can't really see the differences between each city. So what you should do is to detach this from the graph. The easiest way of doing this is to just make sure it's not in an adjacent cell to the rest of the data series. And the easiest way of doing that is just to insert a column there. So select there, right click, and left click insert. Okay, so let's try this again. And also you probably wouldn't want this total there either. So let's just do the same thing with that. So just detach it. If you did want to print this off to show it to someone, you could sort of make these really narrow just to make it look like it was there, but there would be a blank thing in between, so the insert thing won't automatically pick it up. So let's have a look now. This is a lot more useful.